Welcome to TechLeaper channel, and in today's video I am going to show you how to delete a page on Microsoft Word. Today I will show you two methods that you can use to delete a page on Microsoft Word. So at first open up your Microsoft Word and then open any document. Now the first method is very simple. You can see there are 3 pages in my document. If you want to delete page number 2, just put the cursor here and then press Ctrl plus G. Then type backslash, then type page, then click on go to, then just click close, then press delete, and it's done. You can see page number 2 has been deleted successfully. Now the second method is also very simple. If you want to delete page number 3, just put the cursor here, then you have to just press backspace once or twice, and you can see page number 3 has been deleted successfully. And now you can see there is only one page in my document. And that is how you can delete page on Microsoft Word. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.